Explain how you can look for your old emails in the new Rediffmail interface. There are two options in through which you can check the emails, your older emails specifically. This is your Rediffmail inbox. This is the scroll bar. You just have to scroll, keep it scrolling down for your older emails, and you can see the older emails of 2019 or such date is still coming in. Okay. See, this is all my emails from the year 2024 to 2022 to 2021. And if I go on this, the scroll bar gives me older emails. So this is one way through which we can go through the older emails. But this might be a bit lengthy method or maybe not very easy. So another method is using search option. What we can do is we can use the search option. Let's say, for example, if I want to search an email from, I had received an email from this particular sender or user. I'll click over here. I'll see. So it will first initially say that the emails is not available because till this date, till 8 March, the emails are not available. But there is an option to search for older emails. So I'll click on older emails, and I can see that there are some emails available from the older dates. And probably if I am looking for more older emails than this particular date, then I can click on search older emails more, and then I can get some more older emails. So this is one way of identifying your emails using the basic search option. Other than this, what we also have is the advanced search option. So the advanced search option, there are multiple options, multiple filters which you can use. One is from, to, subject, size range, date range. So let's say, for example, if I want to particularly search for a particular date range, okay. So I'll select this option over here. I'll get the years option. I'll select the year 2022. I'll select first. I'll click on OK. So this is my from date. Then I will go to to date. I'll click on the month again, year and the month again. I'll go to 2022 again. I'll go to 2022 again, and I'll just scroll it till the end of the year. I'll select the date, 31st, and I'll click on OK. So now the date range is from 1st Jan 2022 till 31st December 2022. And I'll do a search. So you can see these are all the emails which is coming there, and then I can again use the scroll option to see whatever mails have come. Now here, if you see, this probably is the last email which is I've got September till this is probably the first email in that year. So that is why you can see here it is. Okay. Now similarly, I can use multiple filter options. Like here, if you can see, if I want it from a particular subject, let's say for example, this is the subject and this is the date range. So I can use this option. I can click on search, and then it will give me only that particular search. So there are multiple options through which we can use search features and look out for our old emails. Okay, I'll just repeat myself once again. The very basic option for the old emails is to scroll through your this backdated emails, we can say, and we can see that there are backdated emails available with us. I can use the scroll option and I can go back and I can look for my mails. This is one way. The other way is the very basic search option which you can use, and the third way is the advanced search option. So you can use either of these options to look for your old emails. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.